why you can't focus, and how rosemary tea can help. Let's talk about something we all struggle with, focus. If you've ever sat down to work or study and found your brain just wouldn't cooperate, if you felt that slow mental fog creep in, where your thoughts feel heavy, scattered, or sluggish, you're not imagining it, you're not alone. And no, it's not just because you didn't sleep well. In our high-speed, always online world, mental fatigue is becoming more common than ever. Between stress, screen time, multitasking, and environmental toxins, our brains are overstimulated yet underperforming. And the result is brain fog, forgetfulness, and a frustrating lack of clarity. So what do most people do? They reach for caffeine, energy drinks, stimulants, and while they may give a short-term buzz, they often leave us more jittery, anxious, and exhausted once the effect wears off. But what if there was a natural, gentle way to boost mental clarity, without caffeine, without side effects? Just a simple ritual that nourishes your brain? That's where rosemary tea comes in. Yes, rosemary, the same herb you might toss into a soup or sprinkle over roasted potatoes. Turns out it's not just for cooking. Rosemary has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support memory, mental sharpness, and even protect the brain over time. Modern science now confirms what ancient healers already knew. Rosemary contains powerful antioxidants, including carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which support healthy blood flow to the brain, reduce oxidative stress, and improve cognitive function. In fact, some studies have shown that simply inhaling the aroma of rosemary can improve memory and alertness, and drinking rosemary tea, that takes it to another level. Rosemary tea works by gently stimulating brain function without overstimulating your nervous system. That means sharper focus, better retention, and a more calm, energized mind without caffeine, without chemicals, and without a crash. In part 2, we'll walk through how to actually make rosemary tea at home, the best ways to use it, and what kind of benefits you might notice with consistent use. Let's keep going. How to make rosemary tea and what it can do for your brain. Now that you know why rosemary tea is such a powerful brain booster, let's get into the how. The beauty of rosemary tea is how simple it is to prepare. You only need 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, or a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. Hot water, just below boiling. Here's how to make it. Place the rosemary in a teapot, cup, or infuser. Pour the hot water over the herb. Cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you want the flavor. Strain and sip slowly. You can drink it warm, which is grounding and soothing, or chill it and serve it over ice for a refreshing mental lift during the day. Add a little lemon or honey if you like, but the earthy, pine-like taste is enjoyable on its own. Now let's talk results. What can you expect when you drink rosemary tea regularly? People who drink rosemary tea often report improved concentration and fewer distractions while working, less mental fatigue during long hours of studying or reading, sharper memory and better information recall, a gentle boost in mood and alertness, and an overall feeling of mental clarity and calm focus. Unlike caffeine, which spikes your energy and then drops it, rosemary supports steady brain performance. You're not speeding up, you're simply waking up your mind, naturally, gently, and effectively. And the benefits go beyond just day-to-day focus. Early research suggests that compounds in rosemary may offer long-term protection for the brain, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline as we age. That means supporting memory, mental agility, and neurological health just by drinking a simple herbal tea. It's important to stay consistent. Try drinking a cup in the morning, before a mentally demanding task, or even during an afternoon slump when you need to refocus. Over time, you'll likely notice that your mind feels clearer, your thoughts come easier, and you're not dragging yourself through the day. And the best part? It's affordable, accessible, and completely natural. No caffeine, no stimulants, no chemicals. Just one of nature's most underrated herbs, supporting your brain, one sip at a time. So if you're done with brain fog, if you're tired of feeling mentally sluggish, scattered, or stuck, it might be time to step away from the energy drinks and try something smarter. Unlock mental clarity. Try rosemary tea. Your mind and your focus will thank you.